Now it's time to take a look at a simple use case that is achieved by using Exalate scripting. In this specific use case, we want to stop the synchronization of attachments from the Jira side to the Azure DevOps side. To start, I've got my environment set up using the group browser tabs. So we've got the Connections tab, the Errors tab, the Sync queue, and the Test issue open. And similarly, we got it all up for Azure DevOps as well on the right side. Out of the box, when you attach something, it automatically flows over to the other system. So basically, adding this attachment to my Jira Cloud ticket should automatically synchronize this to the Azure DevOps end. Let's wait for it to synchronize over. As you can see, the attachment is already populated. And if you click on it, you should be able to see the attachment entry out here. Now we have this use case where we want to stop any additional attachments from flowing over from Jira to the Azure DevOps side. For that to work, we need to think about the outgoing sync within the Jira Cloud instance, and we need to ensure that the attachments are not being sent over. So on line number 13, as you can see, the attachments are being sent over. Now, we will not add the attachments to the replica, so they will not leave the Jira instance. And that's the first piece of the puzzle. The second is that you can stop them from being processed out here in the incoming sync script of Azure DevOps. Now, a piece of advice here. Whenever you start thinking about a synchronization problem within Exalate, always think about the outgoing and the incoming side. And think about what actions to take on both of these sides. All right, we made the changes and published the script. Now let's test it out. So I'll add a second attachment now, and I do not expect this to go over to the other side. To test it out, let's add a test comment. This way, we will still know that the synchronization is taking place, but only the comment will arrive to the other end, and the attachment will not. Let's take a look at the Azure DevOps work item. As you can see, my test comment has arrived without any issue, but the attachment has not, just as we expected. This was a very simple use case achieved by Exalate scripting. We'll cover more use cases in the next videos.